More examples, so I'm just going to roll, and then you probably don't need that many dice, but we'll see how we go. So we've got 428, so you read that as a regular number, and 333 thousandths. Or you could write it as 4 of the hundreds, 2 of the tens, 8 of the ones, 3 tenths, 3 hundredths, and 5 thousandths, sorry. Or you could write it as 33 hundredths and 5 thousandths. Or 8,335 thousandths plus the 420. So you can mix and match them, essentially. But the main official way to say it is 428 wholes, or 428 ones, or 428 as a regular number, 335 thousandths. So you read it, and then you say the final place value at the top. A couple more examples. We'll do different sizes, and we'll just mock up that we got some zeros, because zeros are always interesting. Got to make that a 0. Of course, it's the last side you always check. So this one you could read as 70 and, or 70 points, but preferably formally 70 and 20 thousandths, or 70 and 2 hundredths. So in that way, you can read it, to the very end, or you can just stop there, because since that's a 0. If this was different, and let's get rid of that, you could read it as 820 thousandths or 82 hundredths, not needing to read the 0 if you're reading it in formal language, because you don't really say 0 and, you just start saying the decimal. Whereas if this was wholes, you would say 2 and 820 thousandths, or 2 and 82 hundredths, or 2 and 8 tenths, 2 hundredths, 0 thousandths. So it's a nice supportive sheet that can teach you worded form, but it doesn't teach you conceptual understanding. Conceptual understanding has to be through materials, decipipes, decimats, coins, measuring tapes, and measurement style tasks. This will teach you how to read it in worded form and probably consolidate the place value language, but the real language starts with out of, then moves towards this language, because you need to know the th means out of that many parts. So the THS really is standing for out of 100 parts, out of 10 parts. So there's 2 wholes, 8 out of 10 parts, 2 out of 100 parts, and 0 out of 1,000 parts, or just 82 out of 100 parts, and no thousandths to worry about for this one since it's 0.